What did ancient people think about space? They looked at stars every night. They wondered, is anyone else out there? Different cultures had different ideas. Today we learned four of them. Mesopotamia. Mesopotamians lived between two rivers. They were great at watching stars. They thought the universe had layers. Heaven was up, earth was middle, underworld was down. Each planet was a god's home. Venus was Ishtar, goddess of love. Mars was Nergal, god of war. Jupiter was Marduk, king of gods. Saturn was Ninurta, god of hunting. The moon was Sin. The sun was Shamash. They didn't just believe stories, they counted and measured. They thought stars predicted the future. A comet meant war was coming. An eclipse meant bad things happen. They believed gods talk through the sky. Every star movement meant something. They created the zodiac, 12 signs. We still use their zodiac today. Their ideas spread to other lands. Egypt learned from Mesopotamian astronomy. Greek scholars studied Mesopotamian math. Their cosmic thinking shaped the whole world. Ancient Egypt. Egyptians lived on the Nile River. They also studied the night sky. But Egypt's cosmic idea was different. They thought the sky was a goddess, Nut. Nut's body stretched across the heavens. Stars were actually holes in the sky. Light came through those holes from beyond. The sun was a boat. Ra sailed it. Every morning, Ra was born as a baby. Every night, Ra died and went to the underworld. But he always came back next morning. Egyptians believed in cosmic cycles. Life, death, rebirth, again and again. The Nile flooded every year like clockwork. Egyptians connected this to the stars. When Sirius rose, the Nile would flood. They used this to predict seasons. The pyramids aligned with stars precisely. The Great Pyramid points to the North Star. This wasn't luck. This was on purpose. Egyptians wanted to reach the stars. They believed the soul travels to heaven. The pyramids were cosmic staircases. Dead pharaohs would climb to the stars. They would join the sun god Ra. They would become immortal. Egyptians saw the cosmos as orderly. Everything had its place. Everything had purpose. This brought them comfort and meaning. Their cosmic beliefs lasted 3,000 years. Hindu cosmology. Ancient Hindu texts describe the cosmos differently. The universe is much, much bigger. It's not just one world. There are many. Hindus called it the multiverse. There are 14 different levels of existence. 7 go up to heaven. 7 go down. Each level has its own world. Humans live on the middle level. Gods live on the higher levels. Demons and spirits live on lower levels. Time itself works differently in Hindu cosmology. One day for a god equals 1 year for us. The universe is billions of years old, but it also cycles. It's born and dies. One cosmic cycle takes 4.3 billion years. This is called a kalpa, 1 day of Brahma. Brahma is the creator god. When Brahma sleeps, the universe ends. When Brahma wakes, a new universe begins. This has happened infinite times before. It will happen infinite times again. Hindu texts mention flying beings, the devas. The devas live in floating cities in the sky. They travel between worlds in flying chariots. Some texts describe these chariots in detail. They move faster than wind. They shine like fire. Ancient Hindus wondered, are these aliens? Were the devas visitors from other worlds? The texts don't say they came from space, but they describe advanced beings with strange powers. Hindu cosmology was scientific for its time. It estimated a universe's age fairly accurately. Modern science says the universe is 13.8 billion years old. Hindu texts guessed 4.3 billion years per cycle. That's remarkably close for ancient thinkers. Hindus also understood that time is relative. Different beings experience time differently. This sounds like Einstein's theory, but Hindus wrote this thousands of years ago. Their cosmic model was vast and complex. It inspired philosophers across Asia. Buddhism and Jainism adopted similar ideas. Islamic cosmology. Islam has its own cosmic understanding. The Quran describes the universe carefully. Allah created the heavens and the earth. But there's more than just our sky. The Quran mentions the 7 heavens. Each heaven is a separate realm. Stars are in the lowest heaven. Higher heavens have other creations we don't know. Angels live in the heavens. They worship Allah day and night. Jibril is the angel of revelation. Jibril travels between heavens and earth. Islamic scholars studied the stars too. They created advanced astronomy during the Golden Age. Muslim astronomers were the best in the world. They built huge observatories and telescopes. They mapped the entire night sky. They discovered many new stars and planets. The word algebra comes from Arabic. So does alcohol, algorithm, and zero. Muslims developed mathematics for astronomy. The Quran encourages studying the heavens. Ponder the creation of the heavens. Islamic cosmology blends faith and science. The universe shows Allah's power. Every star, every planet is a sign. Muslims believe in one God, one universe, one creation. But the universe is still mysterious. Humans will never understand everything. That's what makes the cosmos special. Islamic thinkers wrote about other worlds too. Al-Ghazali wrote about parallel dimensions. These ideas influenced European philosophers later. So what did ancient people believe? Mesopotamians, gods live on planets. Egyptians, the sky is a goddess. Hindus, there are many worlds and levels. Muslims, angels live in 7 heavens. All different, but all looking upward. All wondering about the universe. All trying to understand their place. Ancient people weren't primitive. They were curious. They used logic. They used observation. They created complex cosmic theories. Many ancient ideas were surprisingly accurate. Modern science has proven some of them right. What else did ancients know? What other secrets are hiding in old texts? Maybe one day we'll discover the truth. Until then, we keep wondering. We keep looking at the stars, just like our ancestors did. Saggo, what do you think about the cosmos? Drop a comment below. Subscribe for more ancient history. Thanks for watching.